Our home, Earth, the only place known to harbour life. As it stands across the observable universe, it seems we are the only beings capable of giving it meaning. And so, as the Singaporean adventurer Ku Sui Chiao once said, "To see beyond the horizon, we must paddle out, leave our familiar shores, and venture into the unknown." That ghostly band of light and gas is where the centre of the Milky Way galaxy lurks, the home of the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A star. But the black hole we are attempting to find isn't in this galaxy. It is not even in our local group. The monster we are hunting is roughly 18.2 billion light-years away. To get there, we must push beyond the realms of possibility and break the cosmic speed limit. We must travel faster than anything has ever travelled before. As we leave the stars of the Milky Way behind, we enter a void of darkness, intergalactic space. But just when the feeling of being lost starts to take over, distant points of light begin to emerge, like diamonds raining down from the sky. These are not stars, but entire galaxies containing billions of stars, planets, and moons, possibly even life. But we are not on the hunt for other beings like us. Our destination is something far more terrifying, and its home is within that bright point straight ahead. This is the Quasar Tonizintla 618, more commonly known as TON 618, and at its centre is one of the largest objects ever discovered. An ultra-massive black hole. Black holes are some of the most massive single objects in space, and this is one of the biggest currently known to exist. It is roughly 40 billion times the mass of the Sun, but some older estimates put it at 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. If we could place it in our solar system, it would engulf the orbits of every planet, the Kuiper Belt, and far beyond. In fact, it is greater than the mass of every star combined in our neighbouring galaxy, the Large Magellanic Cloud. This is one of the largest single bodies in the universe. And TON 618 hasn't finished growing yet. All that material circling it is slowly being consumed, and as it does, so it compresses and heats up, releasing enormous amounts of radiation that is blasting out into space. This is the engine of the quasar. This ultra-massive black hole is what powers it, causing one of the brightest objects in the universe, with the illuminating power of 140 trillion suns. How TON 618 became so big is a mystery, but it was likely from merging with other black holes and continuously devouring the material that is surrounding it. As we continue to orbit this behemoth, we are slowly drifting closer to its event horizon, the boundary at which if we cross, we can never return. Not even light can escape this point. Beyond the event horizon is where the monster lurks, the inner region of the black hole, the chaotic heart of the quasar called the singularity. The single point in space where the mass of the black hole is concentrated, where all conceptions of time and space completely break down. Now we have made it to the end of our journey, and just like all the material that has crossed the event horizon, we too must follow. There's no turning back now. We've come too far.